Give me a second, everybody. There you go. Sorry about that. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is Forex Trading Week Part 2, finally. Remember, everybody, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the three pillars. Pillar number 1 is the market, and we are trying to learn about the market with these modules on the left. We are in the first module still, everybody, market structure and trends, basic module. Pillar number 2 is the strategy. We are going to learn more about the strategy in the advanced module. And the big one, the trader, right? We are going to learn more about the trader in the Forex course 202. Okay? And somebody is asking, you are talking so much about the trader, what is all this about? Everybody, in the advanced course we are talking more about the emotional, psychological aspect of trading, makes sense? About the self-image, about the trading styles, make sense? And as always, if this is you, everybody, and if you are not receiving notifications, webinar notifications from the JForex platform, hello Alex, how are you? From this beautiful platform, everybody, please send an email to research@dukascopy.com and write that you are not receiving webinar notifications from the JForex platform. Hello Trader Olufemi, how are you? Hello Samantha, how are you? Moving forward, what do champion beginner traders always say? Champion beginner traders always say that I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And my 50 cents on the left, everybody, when the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. And remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. And read disclaimer, the webinars are not trading or investment advice, especially when we have the so-called Forex Trading Week, where we are trying to implement what we have learned so far in the live market and make some pips and money on the demo account. For homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView if you want, everybody. Now, unfortunately, JForex has a demo account, everybody, for 14 days, so I need to open a new account, okay? So our positions are gone. Oh, what's a pity, right? Yeah, I agree with you, everybody. Yeah, it's a pity, but it's 14 days, so we need to redo it for every 14 days. And moving forward, everybody, tomorrow, March the 2nd, we have at noon Brazilian time. Check your time zone, everybody. Tomorrow at noon, it should be 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have the relevant news from Canada. Okay, so here is the question for today, everybody. We have USD-CAD, we have Eurocad, we have Canada CHF, we have Canada JPY, and we have NZD-CAD, right? So let's start with USD-CAD, everybody. How are we going to make pips and money today, based on what is going to happen tomorrow? Okay, we can go on the 2-hour chart, because we're talking about the news announcement, everybody, right? News announcement. Okay, so hedge fund trader Alex, hedge fund trader Olufemi, and hedge fund trader Samantha, how are we going to make pips and money on USD-CAD? Type in the chat long or short, type in the chat the time frame. You know the practice, right? Where is the stop loss, where is the take profit? And one more time, you can go on any time frame of your choice. Eurocad, same story. This is the homework. Come to class with your charts. Analyze. Sorry, everybody, I need to... There you go. Silent mode. Okay, so this is now Eurocad daily chart. We can go on what? 4-hour chart if you want. Somebody is asking, are we going still? Great question, by the way. not on YouTube, but the other streaming platform, somebody is asking, are we going to enter still today, but the news announcement is tomorrow? And the answer is yes. Make sense, everybody? You need to learn this. Okay? You got it, you got it. What if the... You got it, very good. What if the market reverses in the meantime? You got it, you need to manage your trade. You got it. So this is Eurocad 4-hour chart, everybody. Canada CHF monthly chart, not. Yes, tomorrow we have the Canadian news. All of these pairs are going to be affected, everybody, to some degree. Canada CHF, maybe whatever, right? Daily chart, why not? Daily chart, Canada CHF. This is a downtrend line. This is a downtrend line. This is a downtrend line, right? Should we follow your time frames? Absolutely not, everybody. You can type in the chat whatever you want. NZD-CAD, right? A lot of pictures. This was the lesson on how to trade the market wave. NZD-CAD talking about the news announcement, 1-hour chart, right? Why not? 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart, talking about the news announcement. Talking about the news announcement, 1-hour chart. We can play around and draw some trend lines. This would be 1. No, this would be 1. This would be 2, right? And not sure about this one anyway. Which one is the lower low? Okay, our low is the lower low, very good. So this would be 1, this would be the second one, you know, and talking about, so this is there, and talking about the downtrend line, something like this. Alexa, I cannot spatially see a short-term trend on chart. Can you show us? Yes, Alexa, would you be so kind and give me a currency pair and a time frame? In the meantime, everybody, Canada CHF, NZD-CAD, and lastly Canada JPY, right? Canada JPY. We're talking about the news announcement. What, 4-hour chart maybe? 4-hour chart? 4-hour chart, and talking about trend lines, right? Talking about trend lines, this would be 1. And then the market went up, right? Making higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows until up in here. So this is over, the market broke, this is over, the market broke, and we are here so far. Okay, everybody, Euro dollar 15-minute chart, sure. Clone chart, Euro dollar 15-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 15-minute chart. In the meantime, hedge fund trader Alex, hedge fund trader, Olufemi, hedge fund trader Samantha, and hedge fund trader Alexia, and everybody else, how would you trade the Canadian pairs? Right? So 15-minute chart, Alexia. Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high from here. And then it changed, high to low, low to high, 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 high to low. Okay, Alexia? Orange. Blue maybe? Okay. Black, right? Better, right? Maybe red. Okay, red. So, hedge fund trader Alex, hedge fund trader Olufemi, hedge fund trader Samantha, what is going to be? Alexa, type in the chat done, please, so we can move forward. On the Canadian pairs, tomorrow we have the news announcement. Yeah, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat, everybody, not a problem. Okay, euro dollar 50-minute chart. Okay, in the meantime, USD CAD 2-hour chart. Okay, everybody, let's start with USD CAD, right? USD CAD 2-hour chart. What's the plan? What's the plan, everybody? We are going to enter today. I do not understand how to trade short-term trend. Can you show us? Alexia, on what time frame and what currency pair? And the concept, everybody, it's always the same, makes sense? I'm looking on Eurocad 4-hour chart. Very good, Eurocad 4-hour chart. Do you want to go long or short? Hedge fund trader Samantha, long or short? Everybody type in the chat, long or short, what time frame, what pattern are we trading? Where is the end? I mean, the entry is going to be right now, right? But where is the stop loss? Okay. And where is the take profit? Make sense, everybody? Short, very good. Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? What pattern are you trading, everybody? So it's always the same, right? Number one, long or short. Number two, what pattern and on what time frame. Number three, where is the stop loss and take profit. Okay, Samantha and everybody else. GBP USD 5-minute chart. Alexia and everybody else, listen to me. If you are not a scalper by personality, you have no business on the 50-minute chart. Make sense, everybody? Can you repeat, please? Absolutely yes. Everybody, if you are not a scalper by personality, if you are not an extremely good at quick decision making, and how do you know that you are good at quick decision making, everybody? In your life you are able to make quick decisions, and those decisions are going to be productive. You are not going to do something stupid. Make sense, everybody? If you are not a scalper by personality, you have no business on the 5-minute charts, everybody. You are going to lose, believe me. Make sense? You are going to lose. You are not going to be consistently profitable January, February, March, April, May. Okay, so yes, we're going to help Alex, and then we're going to talk about the other ones. Okay, everybody, so it's a concept, right? It's a concept. In a downtrend, the best entries are where the market gets near the downtrend line. So this would be a good entry. Make sense? This would be a good entry. Okay? So, and if the market is here, those are concepts. You can trade like this on the monthly, weekly, daily, and nonetheless the 5-minute chart too. So in here, this is not the good entry. Make sense, everybody? The yellow circle, it's not a good entry. Make sense? Why not? Because it's not near the downtrend line. Okay? So GBP USD 5-minute chart, and I'm telling you, if you are not a scalper, go on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, right? So this was the uptrend line, everybody, until up in here, and now on the 5-minute chart the market's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? So we have this trend line, and then we have this trend line. Agreed, everybody? Okay. You have the long-term trend line on the 5-minute chart, and you have the medium-term trend line on the 5-minute chart. Okay, everybody? Now, here is Alex and everybody else, you have a decision to make. Make sense? Okay? And if the market does this, here in 2, you are going to have a decision to make. Make sense, everybody? Until the market breaks the green downtrend line, this market is still down. Make sense? Oh, but it's making higher highs, higher lows. This is a retracement on the downtrend line. Make sense, everybody? You have the, yes, you have the direction, but the timing, when is the right time to enter, it's up to you. Make sense, everybody? Nobody's going to take responsibility for your trading. I don't have it here, right? Now here. Make sense? So Alexia, one more time, this is the downtrend line, just an example, and the market's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then it's going to do something like this, you know, whatever might be the case. Okay, just an example. So what you're going to do here, everybody, just an example, and what you're going to do here, and what you're going to do here, the trend line is showing you the direction is down. Timing, it's up to you. Okay, should I enter here or here? Up to you. Should I enter here or here? Up to you. You need to be responsible for your entries. Make sense, everybody? And lastly, stop loss. Stop loss goes or above the downtrend line. Okay, if you are trading the pattern downtrend line, stop loss goes above the downtrend line. And if you are trading the short-term downtrend, the stop loss goes on the previous lower high. Okay, moving forward. Samantha wants to go short. Samantha, we are looking at, Samantha, where do you want to put your stop loss? Samantha says Eurocad, not euro dollar. Samantha says Eurocad. Okay, Samantha, Eurocad for our chart short. Where is the, we are waiting, Samantha, for your stop loss and take profit. USD CAD long, USD CAD long. Hedge fund trader Alex, long on the 4 hour, but I don't have on the 4 hour. Okay, Alex, where the stop loss? Yes, Freedom daily and weekly are very reliable to analyze the market. Can you give example of an entry and timing? Sure. Timing would be, everybody, when the market starts to make lower lows, lower highs. Okay, Alexia? You have the market in here. Okay, so see, Alex, here the market is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and the market's making right now higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then here the market is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So this would be an example of different timing. Make sense? So if you enter right now, there is no right or wrong, but if you enter right now, you are entering when the market's making higher highs, higher lows. If you wait for the market to make lower lows, lower highs, you have a different timing. Olufemi, I'm going long Eurocad. Okay. Eurocad, going long. Going long daily chart. Okay. So, clone. Hedge fund trader Olufemi is going long on the daily, everybody. So, give me a second. Entry by the market. Stop loss is at stop loss it Eurocad stop loss. Olufemi, I don't have 86 and 94. We have. Olufemi, check the numbers. We are at 1 point something. Okay, Olufemi. Hedge fund trader Olufemi, I'm going long on Eurocad, but we don't have 0.86 or something. We have 1 point some. So maybe most likely you're not on Eurocad. Can you repeat please? Can you give an example of timing when we trade short on trend? Alexia, let's make a class. Choose a pair to trade. Okay, Alexia? Type in the chat the currency pair, type in the chat the time frame. Okay? So everybody can learn. Fair enough, everybody? If you want private classes, ask for help. Sure enough. Are private classes for free? Absolutely not. Canada JPY, there you got it. Yes. Canada JPY. Canada JPY daily chart. Canada JPY daily chart. Okay. Canada JPY daily chart. By the market stop loss is going to be 86.9 and the take profit is going to be 94.8. Submit. Hedge fund trader Olufemi is in a trade, everybody. Daily chart. This is the stop loss, this is the take profit, and he's trading uptrend. He's trading the uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows. So, where did we? High to low, low to high, 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 high to low. Okay, very good. Very good. Uptrend. Okay, thank you very much. Alexia wants to go euro dollar 1 hour chart. Let me see if anybody else. Uptrend. Hedge fund trader Samantha and Alex, we are waiting for you. In the meantime, hedge fund trader Alexia is trading euro dollar 1 hour chart. Okay, Alexia, do you want to go long or short? Long or short on the euro dollar 1 hour chart? And type in the chat, Alexia, where is the stop loss, where is the take profit. Canada JPY. Looks like he's trading confirmed on the daily. Samantha, we're far away from the Fibonacci's, make sense? If you want an advanced course, everybody, please check TradingView. Okay? We started from the beginning, 2022, based on the request. Okay, Samantha, we are far away from the Fibonacci's. I can't decide under time pressure. Yes, this is something that we need to learn. No, not a problem, don't be sorry, you didn't know. Don't be sorry, not a problem. Hedge fund trader Alex, come on, come on. You've been so active. I do not know the site. Fair answer, but the site, everybody. You know, if this is 1 hour, if this is the euro dollar 1 hour chart, right? You have high to low, low to high, high to low, right? And you have a downtrend line like this. So Alexia, decide, or you are going to trade the red downtrend, or decide if you are going to trade the green downtrend line. If you are going to trade the green downtrend line, your stop loss goes above in here somewhere. You need to pick a number and tell me. And if you are going to trade the red one, the short-term downtrend, then your stop loss goes somewhere above in here. Okay? You need to pick a number. The numbers were almost perfect, that's why. Yes, I agree with you. Lucas, I'm long on Eurocad. Eurocad. 1 to 7.5. Wow. Wow, Eurocad. Long on Eurocad daily. Eurocad daily 4 hours. So, okay, Eurocad entry, long, stop loss, hedge fund trader Lucas, stop loss 1.40677, take profit 1.45630, submit. There you go, Eurocad daily chart, stop loss in here. Sideways channel. Oh, very good. Lucas is seeing, everybody, this would be the upper band, and clone, this would be the lower band, right? Very good. Maybe short, I want to reach short-term trend and short-term downtrend. Very good. I pick. Okay, so on the 1 hour chart, 113, very good. Okay, you need to choose, Alexia, congratulations to you. You need to choose also a take profit level. So stop loss 1.13106. Submit. You are in a trade. Congratulations, Alexia. Alexa thinking, oof, you know, finally, right? Finally, right, everybody? How many of you thinks that this is difficult, everybody? How many of you is thinking, you know, analyzing the market, it's relatively, right? It's relatively easy. Now, trading the market, it's, you know, heart palpitations and sweating, you know, and you're thinking, oh my god, what if I'm wrong, you know? How many of you can relate to this? Okay, so Alexa is shorting the downtrend line. Hedge fund trader Alexia short on downtrend line. Okay, very good, excellent. Alex, finally, right? You didn't come to the with your charts analyzed. USD CAD long 4 hour, very good. Entry, buy. Remember, everybody, tomorrow you have the news. We're going to see how this is going to play out. Stop loss 1.24117. Okay, USD CAD. Oops, we're on euro. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, JForex. USD-CAD, now buy in the market. Stop loss 1.24117. Take profit at 1.29710. Submit. Uptrend on USD-CAD 4-hour chart. Uptrend, okay. Alex and everybody else, question. Alex, I need a number, okay? Would you be so kind and pick a number? Euro dollar. Would you be so kind and pick a number? Oh, let's make it black. I cannot see clearly. Like 1.10 something, Alexia. Okay, I need a number if you would be so kind. In the meantime, everybody, is Alex stop in the correct place? Everybody, is this the correct stop loss on the uptrend, or is this the correct stop loss? Everybody. So, and Alex, hedge fund trader Alex, if you are trading the short-term uptrend, then it's going to be what? Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. Everybody, you can learn from others. I'm the first one. You can learn from others' mistakes. Make sense? You can learn from my mistakes. Okay? Question, everybody, is Alex's stop loss in the correct place or not? I don't see. This line is where Alex put the stop loss. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to draw it, no problem. This line, everybody, is Alex stop loss. Is his stop loss in the correct place, yes or no? Alexia, woohoo, very good, excellent. Okay, everybody, let's go. Wow, we have Canada, JPY, Eurocad, Euro USD, USD-CAD. Excellent, everybody. Euro dollar. Add take profit 1.1099. Very good. Submit. Excellent. Euro USD. Okay. Alexa, can you give us a timing is difficult? Absolutely, yes. This is why we are doing this. Alexa, can I give you a suggestion? Or let's ask a question. Everybody, the same question that we are asking. What everybody is Alex's stop loss in the correct place? There is no right or wrong. And talking about Alexa, everybody, what do you think about Alexia's, pardon my English, risk-reward ratio? And Alexa, the same question to you. Is your risk-reward ratio okay? So we entered here, right? This is the downtrend line. We are going to adjust our stop loss, right? Because we are following the downtrend line. So still, everybody, what do you think about Alexia's risk-reward ratio? And it's a no-brainer, really, you know. Can Alexia and everybody else, me too, back in time, can we make money from the Forex market trading like this? It's a yes or no question. Everybody. So you analyzed your chart. This is the lesson today. You know what we are trying to implement in the Forex trading week. We analyzed our chart. We found direction. We found even timing. Now the last piece of the equation is the risk-reward ratio. So, and you are not getting this yet, everybody. It's going to take you a year to understand that you could be the best of analysts, meaning you identify direction, you identify a setup, you identified a great timing, and still you could be a poor trader. Make sense, everybody? Analyzing the market, it's not the same as trading the market. This is why Samantha is saying, oh, it's a lot of pressure. This is why Alexia is saying, oh, timing is difficult. Make sense, everybody? Don't confuse analysts with traders. You go on TradingView and you click streams. 99% of people there, crypto market, forex market, stock market, are analysts. Make sense? They are not traders. Freedom, how do you know? Because they are telling them. They have no results to show. Alexia 121, Alex, no, we lose more than we make. Okay, Alexia, what do you think? Everybody, you are the owner of your trading business. This is a business. If you think that this is not okay, what should we do? Alex, what about your stop loss? And Samantha, wow, congratulations. Buy USD CAD, buy USD CAD. Okay, Samantha, what pattern and what time frame? So Samantha is going to buy USD CAD, buying the market, stop loss 1.25566, take profit 1.30762. Submit. Wow, congratulations. Okay, Samantha, we need just to clarify what pattern are you trading, Samantha? Okay, and most likely is the short-term uptrend, correct? I'm on the consolidation of the USD CAD, Samantha, for a, not okay, I cannot determine take profit, the numbers are small. Solution, everybody, when you are in the beginning, right, just do it graphically. Make sense, everybody? Just do it graphically. You put Alexia, you put a quadrant from your entry to your stop loss, and then just clone the quadrant. And if you want to go 1 for 1, this is your number. If you want to go 1 per 2 or 1.5, everybody. Okay, you don't need to bother with numbers and calculation, not yet. This is coming in the future, but so far just graphically. You know, if you want to go 1 for 1, Alexia, so your take profit is going to be 1.10174. If you want to go 1 for 2, your take profit is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be 1.08837. 4 hour impulse leg on uptrend. Very good. Excellent. Alex, what about your stop loss? Samantha's stop loss on the uptrend. Very good. Excellent, everybody. I thought my stop loss is below the structure low. I am confused now. Okay, Alex, listen to me. Your stop loss, Alex, is in here. Okay? Look at the yellow line, Alex. This is your stop loss level. The yellow line. Okay? Now, this stop loss, this yellow line, this is not part of the up market wave. Because if you would trade the up market wave, then the stop loss, the correct stop loss should be down in here. Make sense? But it's not. And if you would trade the short-term uptrend, the red one, your stop loss should be as cement as somewhere up in here. And it's not. Make sense, Alex? Hedge fund trader Alex. So your stop loss, it's based on those two patterns. You can have more, but you need to tell me, I'm the student here, you are the teacher, you know, based on the market wave, up market wave, and based on the short-term uptrend, your stop loss is not correct on those two patterns. Alex? So everybody, we are shorting euro dollar downtrend line. We are going long on the short-term uptrend. We are going long. We are going long on consolidation. Lucas long on consolidation. Lucas, hedge fund trader Lucas, long on consolidation. Lucas long on consolidation. Oh, hedge fund trader Olufemi, where are you? Canada JPY, okay. Uptrend, Canada JPY, Canada JPY, uptrend. Olufemi long on the uptrend. Olufemi long on the uptrend. Okay. Now everybody, talking about the short trade on Eurocad daily. Wow, congratulations. Eurocad, Olufemi shorting the market. See how it's interesting, everybody? There is no right or wrong. Lucas is going long and Olufemi is going short. Stop loss 1.4749 and take profit 1.295. Daily downtrend. Daily downtrend. Daily downtrend. Okay, get out of this one. So this is Olufemi daily downtrend. Okay, daily downtrend. High to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to, well, it's still continuing, right? Okay. High to low. There you go. Olufemi, is your stop loss in the correct place? Olufemi, you have the black one, and then talking about the short-term trend, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, and it's falling, right? Hedge fund trader Olufemi, is your stop loss in the correct place based on what we see? And again, Alex, you didn't answer what you're going to do. Are you going to leave your stop loss or are you going to move it? Alexa, can you show us an example of how to enter short-term trend using counter trend line? I'm not sure if we had a class on this, everybody. Let me check in here, Alexa, give me a second. Give me a second, Lucas, copy, playlist, and Forex 101 2022. Highs and low market behavior, market structure, how to market uptrend and downtrend, how to properly do trend lines, the three trend lines consolidation, how to trade trends inside the market structure, higher time frames, smaller time frames, trading time frame, concept, bringing all together, stop loss and take profit. Alexa, we had the lesson, it's number 16, everybody, if you want. Okay, everybody, we had the lesson Forex 101 market structure trend, finding trading opportunities with counter trend lines. Let me just see if we did this one. Not sure. Secret of trading. Let me see if we talked about counter trend lines or not. I cannot remember, everybody. Okay, let's get out of here. I watched old video. Oh yeah, very good. Why would you not consider the stop loss I put as a structure low? I think I made higher than the previous low. Canada J. Alexa, we're going to do it tomorrow, okay? Let's do it tomorrow, everybody. I'm not sure. I'm going to explain to you again the counter trend line breaks. Make sense? Alex, why would you not consider the stop loss I put a structure low? Answer: stop loss goes on the pattern traded. It was difficult to understand your old video. Believe me, Alexia, it's going to be difficult than your videos too. It takes some time, everybody, to understand those things. Make sense? But tomorrow we're going to have class, okay, Alexia? Alex and everybody else. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. You are going to be sick and tired of me telling you stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Specific patterns have specific rules. So if you say, hedge fund trader Alex, if you say that you are trading the market wave, the rules stated that you need to put the stop loss below or above the most recent extension leg. Not the end, but the start. This is about the market wave. If you are trading the short-term trend, the concepts say, the rules are, you need to put the stop loss below the most recent higher low. So, hedge fund trader Alex, if you put the stop loss down in here, and you can leave it, not a problem. I'm going to ask you, boss, and you're the boss, so we are not trading the market wave, and we are not trading the short-term uptrend. Alex, if you decide to leave the stop loss in here, are you trading the market wave, or are you trading the uptrend? You can say yes, yes, no, no. How distinguish market wave and short-term trend on chart, not on theory? Theory is easy. Alexa, you need to practice. Make sense, everybody? This is not something... Alexa, you're going to understand right now, and everybody else. Something we can teach you by showing you, something we can teach you, something you can learn, but we cannot do it for you. Make sense? So how to distinguish market wave and short-term trend, everybody? This is like, oh, jump in the pool, swimming pool and swim for me. Make sense, everybody? Or ride the bicycle for me. Nobody can ride the bicycle for you. Make sense? We can teach you the concept, oh, the bicycle, how it moves. We can teach you the techniques on how to swim. But we cannot jump in the swimming pool and swim for you, everybody. Okay, Alexia? You need to practice. There is no secret to it, everybody. Practice, 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 practice. How can we help you, Alexia? You can send me pictures. Send me pictures. As Samantha is doing. Send me pictures, you know, oh, this is euro dollar daily chart. Is my short-term trend and my market wave correct, yes or no? Got it, stop loss 1.225, 1.22. 1.22. 225. Somewhere, very good. Excellent. Right, but can you show it one last time? Sure, tell me a currency pair and tell me a time frame. But I'm telling you already, it's not going to help you, everybody. Make sense? Right, but can you show me one last time? It's like, okay, can you jump in the can you jump in the swimming pool one last time? Sure, I can, right? You can laugh at me, everybody. It's not a problem. It's like this. Teacher, can you jump in the swimming pool one last time? Yes, I can, but it's not going to help you. Fair enough, everybody? You need to understand that some things we can help you learn. Some things you need to do practice, practice, practice. And congratulations to you. GBP CAD 4-hour chart. GBP CAD 4-hour chart. GBP CAD 4-hour chart. We need to zoom out, everybody. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. So, theory, extension, retracement, extension, and the shortened trend is going to be what is going to define the relevant highs and lows, and how we distinguish the short-term trend from the market wave is the change. So extension, retracement, extension, Alexia. So this would be the yellow one. Oh my god, this would be the yellow one. And the short-term trend, we are going to connect higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this would be one. And then lower lows, lower highs, 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 lower lows. Or, come on, green maybe. And then extension again. Low to high, high to low, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This is not going to help me. I've told you, everybody, you know, I'm told you, teacher, jump for me in the swimming pool one last time. Let me see how you swim. We cannot do this for you, everybody. Make sense? Fair enough, everybody? There are some things that we can help you learn, that you are watching us what to do, how to do. There are some things that you need to practice, practice, practice. Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Okay? Remember, everybody, some things you need to practice. There is no secret to it. Make sense, everybody? Just use the concepts. Just use the concept. Find the short-term trends that are going to change direction. And trading short-term trend is on which part of market structure when entering? Alexia, you're mixing things. Not just Alexia, everybody. Talking about, listen to me, I'm going to repeat this for a year. Talking about trading, you need to decide, or are you going to trade the market wave, the yellow one, or are you going to trade the short-term trend? Make sense? Make sense, everybody? You need to decide, it's one pattern or the other. You cannot trade both. Why not, boss? Because they have different. This is what Alex was struggling today. Those two patterns have different stop loss levels. Okay? So, in conclusion, Alexia and everybody else, if you say, okay, I'm going to trade the short-term downtrend, then you are trading this price action. Make sense, everybody? If you say, okay, I'm going to short the market in here, this is what I'm trading. Make sense? And in the same time, your psychology, your mindset is screaming, oh, but we're in an up market wave. You decide to do this, not me. Make sense, everybody? It's your decision. You need to decide. Pick one, or the yellow line or the violet line. This is why, everybody, we have Eurocad. Somebody's going long, somebody's going short. Make sense? Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow with another Forex Trading Week Part 3. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. You want to be financially free, everybody, with Forex trading. And this is